DNS server with bind on Linux. Another way to do it. So your recurrent server is recursive, just like the Windows machine. So if you dig at the local IP address for a public address like yahoo.com, you'll find some addresses. Right now it's a recursive resolver, and we want to change that. So you get its IP address, and you edit named.conf.local, and here it is. You're going to make it a master, and you're going to tell it where the zone file is. There's a file that contains the information. And so here it is, etch-bind-db.yourname.com. And that's what you have there. And then you make the zone file. And the zone file has to have a certain format, which you see here. This is how it looks. Here's the TTL. We talked about this. That's how long other servers are allowed to cache this data. And here it has the start of authority going to this server. And here's more information about it. And here's the data. Yourname.com is here. All of them go to the same address because I only have one server. So the domain root is here, and NS1 and NS2 both point here. So it will tend to be two servers, but it's really only one physical server. And that's the file this is the zone file that includes the information about your local zone, which is only one computer in this case. Then you restart bind, and now when you do a query for yourname.com, which is in the zone file on the local server, you will get flags, and one of these flags is authoritative answer, AA. So that's the AA flag shows it's an authoritative answer. And if you did a recursive query, just like the other one, if you try to go to yahoo.com through your resolver, it's still going to give you an answer section because we haven't turned off recursion yet. So to do that, you have to go into your named.conf.options and add these lines where you turn off zone transfers and you turn off recursion. And then you restart bind again, and now you will not get an answer, no answer from yahoo.com, and because you're not allowing recursive requests. So it's very much the same. And all right, by the way, in general, it would be good to add reverse DNS records, but I haven't included that in this project. So you just see how to make an authoritative server in both Windows and Linux in these two projects. And that's it. I'm going to stop this recording.